Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I have to take inventory of some of the cleaning supplies that I keep underneath my kitchen sink. And as you can see, it's in total disarray. And that's because, you know, not for nothing, when Sean was home over the past 2 days for Tuesday and Wednesday, it's now Thursday. I'm filming this on a Thursday. Yes, it will be uploaded on a Friday, but listen. When he's home and he helps me clean, he takes things out and he just puts them back in. So, Sean, I love you after 24 years of marriage, but my God, you know. So, we do have to take inventory, help me. And plus, not just that, okay. When my mom-in-law and I went shopping the other day, we went to Walmart because she had to go to Walmart. There was a significant change, and you could tell, okay, that their cleaning supplies is literally, they're running out, okay, and it's getting bad. So, yes, I do buy my cleaning supplies at other stores, but like at Big Lots, where I got this, because, you know, I really like to make my own laundry soap. But when I make my own laundry soap, please excuse my arm, I use this. But this is $4 a bottle. And you use half of this bottle to make one quart-sized jar of laundry soap. Well, that's not really saving me any money. This, same stuff, just in a bar. $1. Big Lots. So, you know, I'm just, I can feel something coming down. I don't know if it's because of this projected second wave, you know, so people are going nuts already. They're buying out all of the cleaning supplies. So I'm not going to be going back to Walmart. Not for nothing, but I really can't stand the place. So we're going to be taking inventory today and seeing what has to be filled in, okay? So I just bought these. We have 10 of these bars of soap, the Gentle Castile soaps. So we'll obviously write those down that we have 10 of these. I've got 2 of these. I always keep coffee filters under here. Even though I have a K-cup machine, I really like using the coffee filters for different uses. This. I have other stuff up here on my countertop. And that's because I have no room down underneath the sink because, Sean, this was the last box at Walmart. The last box. It's like, really? Got the last 2 jugs of bleach. And I don't like the scented bleach, but last 2 at Walmart. It's like, seriously? And then, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this stuff. This stuff, literally, is like thebomb.com. I mean, it is literally like the savior of all cleaning supplies and air fresheners, and especially if you have pets. And, you know, I mean, it smells amazing. And when I used to clean professionally with a company, because we used to do residential and commercial, this stuff, we used it so much. I mean, and for that big jug, $10. You got, you know, it's like, it's one of those, it's a must-have, you know. My mom in-law gave me this last night. She likes it. She uses it. So I've never used it before. So if any of you guys have used this, please let me know. Sean's favorite tool, this duster. Ugh. I don't know. Dishwasher stuff. I think I have more, but I'm not sure because everything gets pushed around in here. Do any of you guys use this? I have this stove. I hate my glass top stove. It was the biggest mistake of my life. It really was. Oh, gosh. I could throw this out. Or can I? I don't know. Set that aside. Okay. We've got 4 bottles of hydrogen peroxide. I do use those when I make homemade bleach in scenarios like this when bleach is literally flying off the shelves and you can't get your hands on them. Homemade bleach is, I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. It's vinegar, baking soda, and peroxide. So, and this just about empty, but can't find it to buy it, so it's like, you know, ridiculous. Essential oils. This stuff, love this stuff. This works really great, like once a month I'll take my couch apart, well not apart, I'll take the cushions off and I'll sprinkle this like down on the parts, you know, where like the cushions sit. I'll leave it for 15 minutes and then I'll vacuum it off. Does wonders. And this stuff, I've had this for a long time. Shake it up. I got this. It's not like available in stores, unfortunately. It used to be. This is the motorcycle shop that I used to work at. And this was actually created by the owner of the motorcycle shop. And this actually will clean your windows like no other cleaner. When I tell you, it's awesome. More filters. Air freshener. Sean's favorite. Yeah. I hate that damn stove. This stuff smells so good. Oh, dishwasher cleaner. Okay. What the hell is the scraper doing in here? I don't know. Love this darn thing. What the heck was it called? Something Mama. Screaming Mama, Steaming Mama. It you put vinegar and water in it. You pop it in your microwave for like 2 or 3 minutes, And it cleans your microwave. Love it. Pumice stone. Is this what the mother-in-law got me for the toilets or something like that? I can't remember. Isn't that terrible? Okay. And then an extra one of these. Alright, well, let's get hopping. You know what? Leave this for the smaller stuff. Put that over here and keep the bigger bottles over here. Okay. Oh! So for peroxide, write that down. Vinegar. This vinegar is almost done. So I'm only going to say that I have one. Okay. Now the bleach, I have, where's the other one? Here. I have 2 bleach in here, but I also have 1 out in the laundry. So I'll count that because that one's not open. So I'll count that as 3. Okay, the Odoban. Oh, God, that's so darn heavy. 1. All right, now for the box stuff, I need bigger cabinets. And I just had this redone. My whole kitchen. Okay. Borax. Washing soda. And 1 is all I have of each because that's all I could even get in store. Okay. Baking soda. 1. Okay. Now, like these, I'm not really going to count these. Okay. Soap pads. Got 1, but I got those at Big Lots and they were $1. So I can always go back, ouch, and get more of those. Okay, stove. Cooktops. 2. This belongs out in the garage. This is when I retiled Andrew's bathroom. Yeah, I'll put that out in the garage. Okay. Toilet bowl cleaner. I need more room. 2. All right. This is almost empty. I don't even know if I should count that. It's not like I can replace it, you know what I mean? Sucks. And all the essential oils I'll put over here in the bucket because they're small. Epsom salts. Okay, now this Pet Fresh, I get that at Dollar Tree. Put that back there. Keep those right there. That goes out in the garage. Okay. But the rest of this stuff, oh my goodness. Alright, I mean, I really don't, I'm running out of room here. Alright, the Phil's Napa. We've got 2 of these. And then the Kirks, we've got 10. Alright, where to put these at? Oh. Dishwasher. We've got 1 container. Kids and pets. Kids and pets. Well, it's like a maze back here. And then this is the homemade cleaners that I have to fill up anyway. This is vinegar and water, and this is the air freshener that I use with water, essential oils, and Dawn dish soap. So I'll keep those out because they have to get filled back up. And then all of these air fresheners. Guess I'll just put those right here. We've got 5 more air fresheners. And then this, but I'm not going to be buying these anymore because I bought the Kirks over here. And then this can go in the HBA pantry. So I'll leave that out. And then we have extra spray bottles. And then that is it. So in conclusion, I got a lot of shopping to do, guys. Here's to finding everything that we need. Jeez, alright guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Keep prepping. If you need me, you know how to get a hold of me. If you happen to find any good deals, let me know where they're at. Because, you know, if you shop at the same stores that I do, like Rural King or Big Lots, you know, let me know what you find because they might be having the same deals down by my way. Okay, bye.